Yes, good afternoon everyone. So in the last class we did the chapter lines and angle, first exercise. Okay. Today we are doing second exercise from this chapter. That is the last exercise from this chapter. Okay. So I hope everyone is ready and you all are clear with the first exercise, that is based on the basic concepts which we learned in class in the previous classes. Okay, so I hope everyone is having textbook. So NCERT textbook, open the textbook, open second exercise from lines and angles, open that. Okay, so I hope everyone is having textbook. So I will read out the first problem. Okay, in figure it is given that in figure, if line AB is parallel to CD and CD is parallel to EF, then uh, Y is to Z, means their angles are in a ratio, and that ratio is given here 4 is to 7. Okay, so that also we can do now. So these are the lines given. Okay, so this is AB, CD and EF. Okay, so this is what the transversal line, this is X and this is given Y, and this is nothing but your Z, this is point M. Okay, this is O and this is N. Okay, this is what the line given, and here ratio of Y is to Z is nothing but 3 is to 7, and very important thing is given, AB is parallel to CD and CD is parallel to EF. Okay, then here we want to find out the value for X and Z. Okay, means in short we have to calculate the values, okay, for all the three angles. So they are saying AB is parallel to CD, CD is parallel to EF. That means we can say that AB is also parallel to EF. Okay, so from the given we can conclude here. So if you observe carefully, here X and Y are in a co-interior angle. That means their angle sum is 180 because AB is parallel to CD. Both are parallel. That means co-interior angle sum is 180. So I will write here X plus Y is equal to 180. Write the reason, co-interior angles. Okay, co-interior angle. But here Y is to Z is given 3 is to 7. That means I will assume that angle as a because X variable is there. So 3A and Z is nothing but here 7A. Okay, so now if you observe carefully, equation, this xy and this, then you will get the answer. Okay, check how can you do this. Yes, how can we do? So now if you observe this diagram carefully, so this is angle Z, then this will also become Z, no? Because they are also alternate interior angle. Okay, that two angles are same. Okay, and we know that here we can write angle ONF is equal to angle C, this CON are same because they are alternate interior angles. Now from here also Y and Z are forming a linear pair, no? Correct? Y and Z are linear pair. So I can write here Y plus Z is equal to 180. That is linear pair. But I know that Y is nothing but 3A, correct? And Z is nothing but 7A. So I will write 7A is equal to 180. 3 plus 7 is nothing but 10A is equal to 180. So A is equal to 180 by 10. So A I am getting here 18 degrees. Can you getting? So once I will get this 18 degrees, here also once you get, here also you can substitute on Y plus Z. That is also gives the answer. Okay, so here A, here 3 into A angle I got 18. That is here we will get 54 and 7 into 18. 118. So this is what the answer. Okay, I hope you all are getting this. So these are 3-mark questions. Copy this. Copy this question. Okay, copy this. Now write down the next question. Write down the next question. Here they are saying in the given figure, if AB is parallel to CD, I hope everyone is copied. AB is parallel to CD and EF is perpendicular to CD. EF is perpendicular to CD and angle GED is equal to 126 degree. Then find the angle AGE, GEF, FGE. These angles you have to find out. And here the given figure is this. I hope you all are drawing the diagram along with me. This is A, this is G, this is B, this is E, D, C. Okay, so this is what they join here, and this entire angle is given 126. Okay, so now we have to find out the angles. Okay, so this much is given, and we have to find out here AGE. This angle we have to find out. Oh, this is F. This is F. This is G. Then they are asking AGE, this angle. Then GEF. GEF means this angle they are asking. And FGE this angle also they are asking. Okay. Then here they are saying GED is 126. Then here this is clearly I think given. Okay, they are perpendiculars. Okay, yeah. Here EF is perpendicular to CD. This much is given. Okay. So now from this we can calculate the axis. It's very easy. Whatever the basic previous 8th standard knowledge is there, that you can apply, you will get the answer. Okay. So here this EF is perpendicular to CD. Okay, that means this angle is nothing but how much? 90. Okay, so I can write here angle FED is equal to 90 degree. But here angle GED is equal to 126. But GED we can write it as a GEF plus FED. I will write it as angle GEF plus angle FED is equal to 26. So FED I have here 90 degrees and this GEF I will get it. Okay, 126. So angle GEF is equal to 126 minus 90. 126 minus 90, that means here I will get 6 and 12 minus 9 is 3. So angle I will get it here as a 36. This I got it as 100 and this I am getting 36. Getting this? So once you will get this angle, now see I got here GEF, means I got this angle. Now I am interested in this and this angle. Okay, so obviously if this is 90, then of course this is also 90. Okay, by triangle angle sum property we can find out this answer. Okay, or we can write here. See, can you now can you able to see here? This is what the Z formed, no? This is nothing but Z. If this entire is 126, then this is also 126, no? Correct, because alternate interior angle. So here we can write, no, angle AGE is equal to angle GED. They are alternate interior angles. So we can write here angle AGE also 126. That means I got this angle. Now last angle I got it as FGE. Where is FGE? F, G and E. So if you observe this diagram carefully, here these two are in a linear pair, no? Correct? So 126 means 180 minus 126, you can do it. Here I will write angle AGE plus angle EGF is equal to 180. Write the reason, that is linear pair. So now you all are in 9th standard, so writing reason is very important. Sometimes if you are not writing the reason, then they are cutting the marks. So here this is 126 plus angle EGF is equal to 180. So angle EGF is equal to 180 minus 126. So 180 minus 126, 10 minus 6 is 4, then 7 minus 2 is 5, 0. Here you will get 54 degrees. So I got this also, FGE and EGF. They are both are the same thing. So I got the answer here. Just by applying the linear pair or previous concepts, you will get all the angles. I hope you all are getting. Copy this. Then we'll go for the next problem. I hope you all are getting these numericals problems. So we can go for the next problem. I will read out the next question. That is the third question from this chapter. They are saying here, in the given figure, if PQ is parallel to ST, I will draw the figure. If PQ is parallel to ST, angle PQR is equal to 110 and angle RST is equal to 130. Find angle QRS, and they gave one hint: draw a line parallel to ST through point R. Okay. So this is also very important question. Many times they are asking such questions in a midterm or in school exams. Okay. So very important problem. So 100% chances are there. Maybe they will ask this question with different numerical values. So I will draw the figure. Okay, this is what the figure. This is P, this is Q, this is R, this is S, and this is T. So 130 degrees. Okay, this is 110 degrees. Okay, and here they are asking us to draw the parallel line. Okay, they are asking us to draw the parallel line to PQ and ST through the R point. Okay, so you can draw this construction. Okay, so you can name it as a L and M. Okay, understood? So here from this we can write PQ is parallel to LM and ST is also parallel to LM. Getting this? So here in short we can say that these all the two lines, okay, PQ and ST are parallel to the entire LM. So here they are asking us to find out this angle QRS. This angle I have to form. Okay. So now how can you calculate here? Very simple method. PQ is parallel to LM. Then this LR small segment is also parallel to PQ. So in this case, this 110, and suppose if I am taking this angle 1, they are co-interior angles. That means their sum is 180 degree. Okay. So I can write here angle PQR plus angle QRL is equal to 180 degree and 180, that is co-interior angle sum. Okay. So here you will get angle QRL is equal to 180 minus 110 because PQR value is 110. So 180 minus 110 is nothing but how much we will get? 70 degree. So I got this angle as a 70 degree, and if you consider this part, so again this TSR and SRM are also in co-interior angle. No, their sum is 180. Means this angle and this angle are a linear pair. So I can write here angle TSR plus angle SRM is equal to 180. So I will write here angle SRM is equal to 180 minus, we can write it as and this angle, this is nothing but 130. So 180 minus 130 is nothing but you will get SRM as a 50 degree. This is what 50 degree. So now see, instead of QRS I got remaining 2. So now we can calculate QRS. Now it is very easy. Why it is very easy? Because these all three angles are in what? Linear pair, or they are forming on the same line, no? So their sum is nothing but what? 180. So we can write here 70 plus angle QRS plus angle 50 is equal to 180. Okay, so angle QRS is equal to 180. 50 plus 70 is nothing but how much? 120. So this is nothing but minus 120 and 60. So this angle I am getting 60. And what is this reason here? Linear pair. Okay, have to apply, then you will get the answer. Getting this? Copy this. Those who have any doubt, queries, they can type a message. क्वेश्चन लिहून त्याचा आन्सर विचारायचे. Okay, copy this. Okay, copy this. I'll give 1 more minute. So finish copying. Okay. Then we'll go for the fourth one. Okay, write down the next question. In the given figure, if AB is parallel to CD, angle APQ. Angle APQ is 50 degree and angle PRD is 127. Okay, then find x and y. I will draw the figure here and I will give you the clue and try to find out the answers for this. Okay, so C, Q, R, D, this is B, this is P, this is A. Okay, so this is 50, this is Y, this is don't know. So yeah, 50 and PRD is also given 127. They are asking us to find out this as a x and y. They are asking us to find out the x, y, and try this question. Very easy, normal, very easy sum. Try this question. Okay, I will give 2 to 3 minutes to read, to think and solve, and then if not, I am solving here. Okay, those who will get the answer, kindly type the message. Okay, on the chat box, means answer you can type over there. got the answer is so here it is very easy question. I thought maybe you will get the answer and you can type the answer, but no one is replied over here. Okay, so I will solve this question. This is very easy. So here the formation of Z. Okay, if this is 50, then this is also 50 because they are alternate interior angle. Okay, so I can write here angle APY is equal to angle PQR, that is equal to 50 degrees because alternate interior angle. So I got X here. Okay, now I am interested in Y. So to get Y, here we don't know the angle and we are not getting answer also. So here 170 and this angle, suppose if I am taking Z, they are in a linear pair. Okay, so I can write here angle PRQ plus angle PRD is equal to 180 degree, linear pair. See, everywhere I am writing the reasons. So I want to find out here PRQ, that is 180, and PRD I have 127 degree. So 180 minus 127. So 10 minus 7 is nothing but how much? 3. So here 7 minus 2 is 5, and here answer I will get it as 53. So Z I am getting 53. Now if you consider here triangle PQR, that is triangle angle sum 180 degrees. Okay, so that you can find it out the answer, or else this entire sorry. So here see, this is also formation of Z. This is 127. Then this entire angle is also 127. I already got this as a 50. Then 127 minus 50 is also what I am getting answer. 127 minus 50 is nothing but 7, and 12 minus 5 is nothing but 7. So I am getting that angle as what? 77. Okay, so that also you can write here angle APR angle APR is equal to angle PRD is nothing but alternate interior angle. So here I am getting angle APR is equal to 127, and APR I will write it as APQ plus angle QPR, that is equal to 127. Okay, so I will get here angle QPR is equal to 127 minus 50, that is nothing but 77 degrees. So why I am getting here 77, that's it. Or by simply I am applying triangle angle sum also, you can calculate the angle, you will get the same answer. Okay, copy this. Okay, everyone copied. Copy fast. Okay, I hope you all are getting the answers. So now we are about to do the last question from this chapter. So with this I am finishing this chapter, and during June, July we will do the revision questions from this. Okay, and meanwhile science sessions also, so that also we can do. Okay, so I hope you copied from the board. So next question I will read out, that is fifth question. If you have a textbook, you can just check in the textbook. In the given figure, PQ and RS are the two mirrors placed parallel to each other. An incident ray AB strikes the mirror PQ at B. The reflected ray moves along the path PC and strikes the mirror RS at C and again reflects back along CD. Prove that AB is parallel to CD. Okay, so this is also important question, mostly in many final exam question papers I saw this question. Okay, so I request everyone to prepare this question properly. Okay, and this question is based on the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Okay, so that concepts also we have to apply. Here there is a mirror, this is unreflected part. Okay, and this is PQ and this is given RS. So now we can draw it like this. This incoming signal strikes and then it is heated on this second, and this is what reflected back. Like this we have figure. Okay, only this much is given, and apart from nothing is given. Okay, these names are also given, A, B, this is C, D. This much is given. So now here if see this line strikes on this plate and again it strikes, it reflected, again from reflection again it is what get reflected from the second plate. So what I will do, I will draw normal. Normal means 90 degree to the surface. Okay, so here this is incident ray, that means this is angle of incidence I1 and this is angle of incidence R. And in science we learn that angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Both the angles are here same. So similarly what I will do, here also I will draw the normal. Suppose this is M and this is N. So these are the two normal, and actually what we have to prove here, the line AB parallel to CD. This is what our aim. So what I will do, instead of writing this angle I and R, I will write angle 1, this is angle 2, this is angle 3, and this I will write it as angle 4. Okay, getting up to here. Okay, so now according to the laws of reflection we can say that according to also very important question for exam point of view. I hope you all are getting these questions. Very IMP questions, these all are. So you all can try these questions at home also. Okay, practice yourself, practice NCERT textbook. So most of the concepts are get clear if you are solving the NCERT textbook. Okay, and during the June July we can practice on the same chapter